Why I became an editor was because I was invited to become an editor 7-8 years ago, an editor of bioorganic and medicinal chemistry letters. It's something I continue to enjoy doing, I guess for several reasons. First of all, I'm able to participate in the dissemination of high quality science. I'm able to see the area as it develops and to also play a role in its development by ensuring that high quality papers of the highest quality, published in that journal in particular, and also that the journal progresses with new ideas, new technology, new concepts.
Editorship for BMC is my first editor job, so I really enjoy it. The reason I want to become editor is because I want to, serve the scientific community. So I want to take advantage of this BMC platform to really promote great science, and also I hope to, help the scientists to publish their very best results, quickly on the BMC. And also being an editor, I think the best thing is I can read the original discovery very quickly, even before they are officially published.
I became an editor because I was asked, and why did I do it? I did it because I hope to make a difference in the journals. Of course, there's the service component. We as scientists are continuously publishing our work in scientific journals. That requires a significant effort on the community. And as an editor, I had an opportunity to play a major role in that entire enterprise. And so that was important. And I think also, at least with respect to the Tetrahedron journals, one of the things that I anticipated was going to be rewarding and has been rewarding is the ability to actually play a part in directing the future of the journals and how the journals evolved over time.
One thing is I really enjoy reading the manuscript and giving back to the society and journal, because I had been publishing in Tetrahedron letter for a long time. And frankly speaking, I did my postdoc with E.J. Corey, who always published in Tetrahedron letter. When I became a faculty in IIT Kanpur, the only journal I was publishing in the beginning was Tetrahedron letter. So I had a natural affection for the journal I had, and that's the reason I agreed to become the editor.
I can't talk about chemistry in a broad sense, but in the area of medicinal, bioorganic chemistry, there will be a continuing focus on drug discovery, as there is now, but in particular in areas such as personalized medicines, in areas concerned with cost-effective medicines, and medicines that really are useful for, in particular, third world diseases. So those are the three areas that I think are important for our focus over the next few years.
In the future, chemistry, the important areas of chemistry are going to be at the interfaces of biology and materials. Personally, I'm more interested in the biological side of things. I think in the context of chemistry, I think even in science, I like to think of the 3 M's of science: the making, the modeling, and the measurers in science. So and in chemistry, we have people who make, and those are called synthetic chemists. These are the people that make new compounds, new compositions of matter. And I think both in biology and material science, that's going to continue to play an extremely important role.
One advice I have for young chemists is choose the right kind of problem related to society, human well-being, and also the problem which is not solved. So instead of publishing paper, they have to choose the right kind of research problem. That is something advice I like to give it to people. And not worried about publishing number of papers, focusing on the quality work.
Try to be different, try to be unique. You have to focus on some really new stuff, to work on, and don't try to, take advantage of your, PhD or postdoc, experience too much. Because maybe you think it's easier to get the research work done and publish the results quickly, just working on some related projects similar to your previous experience. But long term, I think it's very harmful for your career, because you can not easily differentiate yourself from your PhD or postdoc advisors, and also you may lose some creativity because you always get used to some the way you are doing research, always take the easy pitch. And I think maybe I have another advice for young scientists. When you choose a research field, try to focus on the interdisciplinary research, because there you may find more opportunities to find the original discovery and generate bigger impact.